Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I will be showing you how I make a cute Valentine's Day box, and this one is a mermaid theme for my daughter's school. So all you need is a box, whatever size box you have in hand. I have this square looking box. So this is what I will be using. You will also need some sort of glue. I have the school glue right here, and scissors, tissue paper, and whatever decorations that you want to put on the box. So the first thing that you want to do is fold your tissue papers in half and cut. Then you're going to fold all the tissue papers again and cut in half again. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is get half of these sheets of tissue paper and fold it in half one more time and cut it in half again. So that's what I'm going to do. And now that I have all my papers cut the way I want them, I am just dividing them in sections so I can have just the tissue papers that I will be needing in order. And now I am going to make the fringe for the little piñata. Now that I have cut all my papers, I will be gluing them down on the box. So what you want to do is add a line of glue and then getting your first color and align it all the way to the bottom and just glue it down. So I do apologize guys, because in this angle you cannot see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is adding glue and overlapping each color of tissue paper, and I'll show you in a minute when I turn the box what it looks like. So that's all you want to do for the rest of your tissue paper, and just add a good amount of glue and overlap your tissue paper so you can see the different colors. this last section I ran out of glue, so I was trying to use whatever I could get out of the little bottle. And all I'm doing is adding the last of the tissues all the way to the top and just pressing down. And now I'm going to cut all the top, whatever is sticking out, and I'm gonna cut the bottom. So just going along the line of, or the bottom of the box, and cutting the excess tissue paper. And I will also be doing that to the side of the box, so all the tissue paper can be aligned with the edge of the box. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is section my mermaid where I want it and glue her down. And I am using an all-purpose clear glue because I ran out of the glue stick, but this worked just fine. And now I'm just going to add it to my box. And I also forgot to show you that I got some hearts and letters from, the hearts I got them from Dollar Tree, and the letters, the sticker letters, I got them from Target, but I will be decorating with those. I will be using them, incorporating them into my box. So all I'm doing is gluing it down, and up next I will be using the hearts I mentioned and just adding them to the box wherever I think they might look cute. Alright guys, so for the last section my camera stopped working and I wasn't able to record how I added the piece of cardstock to the top of the box, and also the piece of cardstock to be able to add her name to the box, and how I cut the hole for all the little cards to go in there. But this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.